KIGERIO kia ARITWA form 4 takio Kcse NIKIAMBIRITIE umundi Kenya yonthe teresie Southment kwina center ithatu tacio kwene mitungu na egoji kuria kwina cukuru 74 Centralment nayo ina ituo ciiri kimwe teresia charia na kingi gatembe kire cukuru 44 kiruguria KIGERIO giki murekithia wa TSC county ya Mombasa ugite nau kwina unyivu wa arimu indi nkiama enu etina mbia cia kuandika arimu mangitha ino mutugi karena kujirite kwambiriria huko kwa IGERIO katwambirie na ino.
Leo tumeanza tena mtihani wa Kcse na tuko sawa, at least mvua, hali ya anga imekuwa mzuri. Over the weekend tumepata mvua lakini barabara zetu ziko sawa, ni kidogo tu kule pande ya Kiungone tulipata kuna mahali kulikuwa na mudslide ikafunga barabara, lakini tuliweza kufungua barabara.
Ni migambo ya DCC wa Southment mire mwangia kererukirwa na Rwandiria bakunenkanira magiro ja chemistry na gichunko karatasi kambere irintuko ya mbere ya KIGERIO ya Kcse mwanka juju alage shigombungi ke Southment kyorinetwo bidhato bya magerio birane nkwene mitungu abogeta negoji ituo BIBI na skuru 74 na gishigo mbunge ke Centralment kirene ituo biere kimwe charia kirane kya wandi ya Mwangambia na Kiago na gituo kingi gatembe kya wandi ya Bodugosi West na Centro bire na skuru 48
vituo zote kwa constituency ambazo ziko na container 3 ni 74.
Our sub-county has 2 delivery containers. We have 48 schools which are these have been tested for national exam for this year.
Koroki DCC mere na wa Centralment Samuel Juguna bari gotora KIGERIO KCP baretithirie bwega utikojerie mawamba no ukinya daiji bari na wirigiro KIGERIO iki kigeta bwega icigo mbunge biao na nkoroki bakiuga batena ARITWA bakuthithiria KIGERIO cibitari kwa daiji.
Vigilators and the supervisors, they are well briefed na hakuja kuwa na tashwishi yoyote katika Southment, na ndio maana tunatarajia pia hata wakati huu tutafanya vizuri. The next 3 weeks we shall do it well.
Adequate vehicles and security arrangements have been made to ensure that we have adequate security in our schools so that we ensure no irregularities occurs when undertaking these examinations.
Funzi wote wako shuleni, lakini pia huwa tunasema unajua kama kuna any medical condition ikitokea huwa mwanafunzi anapelekwa hospitali na tunapelekea yeye mtihani pale.
Kongena kunteresha Mombasa murungamiri wa TSC Nancy Macharia agikojera ntuko ya mbere ya KIGERIO gike ariuga mwanka jojo jwa thirikari ni bombete kwandika arimu 56 inde batombete kungana maskuru ni untu borangiro rwa kithomo rutina kigena gya kungana.
I think the only thing that you realize that we don't have enough teachers. So say for example Coast needs say 60, and that's just an example, 60 IRI teachers, 50 physics teachers and so on and so forth. You have to balance because these students need all these teachers. So it is true we have a deficit not only in IRI. And it's not that we don't have teachers out there. It is the limited resources we were given. If TSC was given money, we would recruit all those teachers. But it's a balancing act. All teachers are needed in the school. So you give a few IRI, a few mathematics and so on until we can get enough resources to recruit all teachers in our schools.
Koroki Nancy Macharia ariuga thirikari ri tayari gutigira ARITWA bonde dene maskuru ne baukinyirwa ni KIGERIO kinyanteire gukojirwa mbulene nere na muguo ariuga bota thirikari na rwangirwa kithomo ne baibangite bokungana.
Because of the rains and so on, the government is ready. We have copters ready to airlift these exams and so on. And I don't think there are so many in the country, but where we have such hiccups, we're ready. We're ready. The government is ready.
Keri potrande to shawero reakwari eto ni mutuge kare.